Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, October 22nd. If my voice sounds a little different today, like I have a lisp, I'm dealing with my wisdom teeth coming in, so my gums are a little swollen, so it's kind of difficult to talk correctly right now, but just bear with me and let's get into this top-down analysis. So starting here on the daily, as always, we mark out our previous week low and previous week high, as well as 50%. You can see right now we're still in Monday's range. It's always good to mark out previous day high and previous day low, but personally I am gonna wait for something a little more solid just because we are consolidating right now. So moving into the 4 hour, you can see we are rejecting very nicely off of our 50% of the previous week's range. So potential scenarios is waiting for price to reach previous week low, and we wait for bullish structure, and some targets to the upside will be whatever highs we create on the way down, as well as 50% and 50% of our inverted fair value gap here, or it's an imbalance, but we'll treat it as an inverted fair value gap now since it was filled. But another scenario is if we just sweep these lows and push back up, I will be waiting for a break of 50% or 50% of our inverted fair value gap. So liquidity sweep and then a break, and I will be waiting for the retest because that just makes it more probable. But we could definitely push back up here without sweeping these lows, so be careful. If we do push back up without sweeping these lows, then we could potentially dump again because we are just coming up here to fill more orders before moving back down. But pretty easy game plan today, guys. I'm not really looking for shorts, mainly looking for longs off of previous week low, or we get breaks and retest of 50% of our previous week range, or 50% of this inverted fair value gap. And then just to label some targets to the upside, if we retest these levels up here, obviously any highs, and we have our buy side liquidity up here, and of course previous week high would be a good target. And these are just high probability targets because they lie in an imbalance as well, so just keep these levels on watch for potential targets. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you have a good trading day, and I will catch you in the next one.